Okay, hello students. Now today we will start exercise 5.6 cross multiplication method. Okay, in this method, okay, how to do it? Look at there. Suppose that is a the question number 1 is that is 8x plus 5y equals to 11 and 3x minus 4y equals to 10. Okay, that is the equation 1. Okay, that is the equation 1 or that is the equation 2. So we have to okay, we have to use the formula. Okay, formula is okay in this equation a1 means 8. Okay, 8 a1. Okay, I will write like this: a1x plus b1 y equals to okay, and c1. Sorry, no need to write y. a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 from the equation 2. Okay, there a1 is 8. Okay, a1 is 8, b1 is 5 and c1 is 11. Okay, and similarly a2 is 3, b2 is 4, minus 4 b2 is okay, and c is 10. Okay, so we have to remember you have to remember the formula. Okay, wait, I will write it. I will write down the formula. a1 means 8, b1 means 5 and c1 means 11, and a2 means 3, b2 means 4 and c2 means 10. Okay, so now let's do it. Now solution. Okay, okay, that is not a equation 1. Okay, that is a question. Okay, so 8x plus 5y equals to 11. 8x plus 5y equals to 11, and okay, first I will take the first equation. So now or 8x plus 5y 11 comes 11 transfer to the left side, then that is a minus 11 equals to there is a 0. Okay, that is the equation 1. Okay, then equation that is a equation 1. Then similarly we have to write next second equation 3x minus 4y equals to 10, or now 3x minus 4y. Similarly 10 is also transferred to the left side, then that is a minus 10 equals to 0. That is the equation number 2. Okay, now we have to applying the formula. So formula is x by look at there, that is a x, isn't it? That is a value of x. So look at there, that is a value of x. Okay, x means a1 and a2x and a1x and a2x, that is a x. So if there is a x, then we have to multiply the b1 and cross multiply. Okay, b1 and c2 and b2 and c1 and b2 and c1. Okay, so we have to write there b1 into c2 minus B2 into C1 equals to, similarly I will write Y. Okay, Y. So Y means, again I will write A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Okay, Y means B1 and B2, that is B1 and B2 is a Y. So we have to cross multiply A1 and C2. Okay, A1 and C2 and A2 and C1. So first we have to write A1 into C2 minus A2 into C1. Okay, equals to, then if there is nothing, then we have to write the 1 by, then 1 means C. Okay, so A1 into B2 and A2 into B1. Okay, A1 into B2 minus A2 into B1. That is a formula, you have to remember that one. Okay, cross multiplication method. Okay, if there is X, then we have to multiply B and C, cross multiply it, B1 and C2, B2 and C1. Okay, then if we will take their Y, okay, then Y, then we have to cross multiply A1 and C2, A2 and C1. Okay, then equals to 1 means C, then we have to multiply A1 and B2 and A2 and B1. Okay, that is a formula. Now we have to put the value of A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2. Now we have to apply the formula, apply the value. Okay, put in the value. So X by B1 means, look at there in the equation 1, that is 8. Okay, that is a positive 8. So 8 into C2 means in the equation 2, C2 means from equation 2. Okay, so that is minus 10. So we have to write in a bracket because that is a negative number. So minus B2 means minus 4. So we have to write in a bracket because that is a negative number, into C1 is minus 11 equals to Y by A1 is, B1 is 5, that is a 5. Okay, B1 is 5 because A is that one, B is that one, so B1 is 5. Now similarly we have to put the value of Y. So A1 is 8, multiply, and C2 is 10 minus 10 minus, and A2 is 3 into, and C1 is minus 11 equals to, now 1. A1 is 8 into B2 is minus 4. Okay, that is a minus 4. B2 is minus 4 minus A2 is 3 into B1 is 5. Okay, now we have to multiply it. 5 tens are 50, there is a minus, then plus into minus is minus 5 tens are 50. So minus into minus is plus, so 11 4s are 44. So plus 44 means 44 only because that is a positive number, equals to, now Y by 8 tens are minus 80. So minus into minus is plus 3 11s are 33. equals to 1 by 8 4 ja 32 minus 32, because plus into minus is minus, so now minus 3 5 ja 15, or okay. Now okay, I will check the minus 10 for minus 4 and minus 11, then 8 and minus 10, 3 and minus 11, 8 and 4 minus 4, and 3 into 5. Okay, now x by minus into minus is plus 50 40 94 minus 94 equals to minus 80, minus into plus is minus, so 80 minus 33 is 80, minus 47. Okay, 80 is greater number, so we have to write the sign of minus, sign of 80, so 1 by minus into minus is plus, so 32 plus 15 is minus 47. Okay, so now okay, look at that properly. Now that means therefore x by minus 94 equals to 1 by minus 47. Now we have to cross multiplication. Minus x minus 47 ja minus 47x equals to minus 97, 94 1 ja 94 minus 94, or x minus 47 transfer, okay, minus and minus cancel, 47 transfer to the right side, then 94 by 47, 47 1 ja 47, 47 2 ja 94, or x equals to 2. Okay, again therefore y by minus 47 equals to 1 by minus 47. Okay, or or minus 47 y equals to 1 by minus 47. Okay, cross multiplication, then minus and minus cancel, and y 47 transfer to the right side, then 47 is divided by 47, 47 1 is 47, 47 1 is 47, or y equals to 1. Therefore x equals to 2, y equals to 1. That is the answer. Okay, so I hope you have to understand. So now similarly you have to do it number 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 5 I will do it. Okay, number 5 I will make the equation number 5. Now number 5 is x by 6 minus y by 3 equals to x by 12 minus 2y by 3 equals to 4. Look at there is a 2 equals to, isn't it? Like this, like that one, there is a 2 equals to, that means x by 94 is equal with 1 by 47, and y by 47 is also equal to 1 by 47. Okay, so similarly we have to do it there. X by 6 minus y by 3 is also equals to 4. Then x by 12 minus 2 by y is also equals to 4. Okay, so now solution we have to do it. X by 6 minus y by 3 equals to 4. Or now we have to find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So 6 is divided by 6 is 1 times. Then 1 into x is x, minus 3. 6 is divided by 3 is 2 times. Then 2 into y is 2y equals to 4. Now cross multiplication. X minus 2y equals to 6 4 is 24. Or x minus 2y. Okay, we know that we have to this one 24 we have to transfer to the left side. Then 24 transfer to the left side, then that is a minus 24 equals to there is a 0. So that is a equation 1. Okay, so similarly we have to find the equation 2. So equation 2 is x by 12 minus 2y by 3 equals to 4. Okay, that is also equals to 4. Or now we have to find the LCM. LCM is 12. Okay, if you don't know, then find it LCM like this: 12 and 3. 3 4 is 12, and 3 1 is 3, and 4 1 is 4, and 4 1 is 4. That means LCM is 3 into 4 equals to 12. Okay, that is a LCM. Okay, similarly there is a LCM is 6 and 3. So 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. So 2 1 is 2. And LCM is 3 into 2 equals to 6. Okay, 6 is a LCM is there, and there is a 12. Okay, so 12 is divided by 12 is 1 times. Then 1 into x is x. Okay, right. If you have a problem, then write 1x. Okay, so 1x minus 3, how many times? 12 is divided by 3 is 3 4 so 4 times. 4 2 is 8y. Or so now cross multiplication. 1x minus 8y equals to 12 4 is 48. Or now 48 transfer to the left side. 1x minus 8y equals 48 transfer to the left side, then that is minus 48 equals to 0. That is the equation 2. Okay, now you have to do it. X by, we have to write the formula. Xy is b1 and into c1 c2 minus and b2 and b2 and c1 equals to y by a1 and c2 minus a2 and c1 equals to 1 by a1 and b2 minus a2 and b1. Okay, now putting the value or x by b1. Okay, b1 is 2. Then 2, that means there is a minus, then that is a minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 into c2 is there is a minus 48 minus b2 is b1 and b2 is a minus 8. So that is a minus 8, and c1 is minus 24 into minus 24. Okay, now y Now y. Okay, a1 means look at there, a1 is 1 into, and c2 is minus 48 minus, and a2 is also 1 into c1 is minus 24 equals to 1 by a1 is 1 into b2 is minus 8 minus a2 is 1 into b1 is minus 2. Okay, oh sorry, b2 is minus 2. There is a, oh sorry, b2 is 8. Yeah, that is correct. b2 is 8. Okay, there is 8. Now multiply x by minus into minus is plus, so 248 is 96. Okay, there is minus into minus is plus, then no need to write there plus. Okay, so minus, now minus into minus is plus, and 24 8 is 24 8 is 24 8 is 8 4 is 32, 2, there is 3, 8 2 is 16, 3 19, 192, 24 8 is 8 4 is 32, 2, 3, 8 2 is 16, 3 19. Yeah, then equals to y by 148 is 48, so that is a minus 48, and minus, okay, minus into minus is plus. Okay, minus into minus is plus, so 24 1 is 24. There is a plus, 24 1 is 24 equals to 1 by 1 8 is 8, so minus 8, so minus into minus plus, 1 2 is 2. Okay, or x by 96 minus 192 is 96, so the greater number is minus, so minus 96 equals to y by minus into plus is minus, so 24 48 minus 24 is 24, so which one is greater? 48 is greater, so we have to write the sign of 48 is minus, so we have to write the minus. 1 by minus into plus is minus, so 8 minus 2 is 6, so minus 6. Okay, because 8 is a greater number, so we have to write the sign of 8. Sign of 8 is minus. Okay, now, okay, look at that, there is a 2 equals to, that means x by 96 is equal with 1 by 6, and y by 24 is also equal with 1 by 6. Okay, so therefore x by minus 96 equals to 1 by minus 6, or minus 6x equals to minus 96, and minus cancel, or x equals to 96 by 6, so 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 3 6 36, 6 6 is 36. Okay, or x equals to 16 times, so therefore similarly y by minus 24 equals to 1 by minus 6, or minus 6y cross multiplication, y 6 is minus 6y equals to 24 1 is 24, minus 24, so minus and minus cancel, or y equals to 24 by 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24, or y equals to 4. So therefore x equals to 16 and y equals to 4. That is a answer. Okay, sim now homework. Now homework is your 1 is done, then 2, 3, 4, 5 is done, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Okay, okay, do it up to 9. Okay, 10, 11, 12 I will do it tomorrow. Tomorrow not I will do it. 10, 11, 12 is 10, 11, 12 and 13. There are 4 remaining, so I will do it any one. Okay, so so you have to do it yourself. I will do it number. Okay, I will do it number 13. Okay, not a 13, I will do it 12. Okay, then do it yourself 10, 11 and 12 on Friday. Okay, next class is Friday, then Friday we have to do it to number 12. Okay, I will do it, then you have to do it yourself 10, 11 and 13. Okay, so you have to do it this homework first. Okay, I will check your copy on Monday. So I hope you have to understand. Okay, you have to remember this one. Okay, you have to form the equation like this. Okay, you have to, if there is a number, then you have to transfer to the left side. Okay, all the numbers will be left side. Okay, in this form, and right side will be 0. Okay, then putting the formula, then you have to put the values and find the answers. Okay, so if you have any problem, then ask me on WhatsApp. There is my number. Okay, ask me on WhatsApp, then I will help you how to do it. If you cannot understand, if you understand, then do it. Okay, so thank you.